Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to replace your map light bulb. You press it in, you'll notice that it does work, so we know there's power going there. Maybe you want to put in an LED, maybe you just want to replace the bulb, maybe you just want to take it out for fun. The way you're going to do it, small flathead screwdriver, go right up along the edge right here, and just pry this down. Got a couple little hooky-doos there, okay? And those just go onto these pins. It's gonna be very simple to reinstall. I'm just gonna turn off that bulb so it doesn't get too hot on me. Right here is our 194 bulb. These can prove to be difficult to get out. Sometimes you can't get them by finger, especially if you got sausage fingers like these. I'm gonna try to just go like this and see if I can pry it out gently. Obviously you wanna be careful for glass, because this is a glass bulb. You don't want glass in your eyes. Okay, that came right out. As you can see, this is a 194 bulb. If you look at the bulb itself and you look through the glass, you can see you've got two little prongs that come shooting up diagonally, and across them there's a little filament. You want to make sure that that filament's not broken or corroded. A lot of times you'll see a whole bunch of crusties going across it. That means it's on its way out. Another thing to look for is just discoloration of the bulb. If you see a black area on the bulb, more than likely it's no good. I would replace it. For now, I want to try something. We're going to put in an LED bulb to replace this 194. I'm going to grab this one right here. I'm just going to turn it back to the on position. With some of these bulbs, you'll notice that they only go in one way. So I like to test them real quick. Doesn't like that way. Let's try this way. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So there we are. Turn it back off for now, because once I go to press this on, it's going to turn back on. Just get it in. And there it is. As you can tell, big difference. I would go with this over this, but it's personal preference. You do you, boo-boo. Whatever you do, I would do both. You know, because obviously you don't want one of each. So, with that said, easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.